The OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be the most exciting Android flagship of 2025, and with fresh leaks surfacing online, it looks like OnePlus is ready to reclaim its flagship killer title that made it famous in the first place. Reports reveal that OnePlus is going all in on design, performance, and AI integration this time around, starting with a stunning new titanium frame and a nearly bezel-less AMOLED display that reaches an insane 2600 nits of brightness, making it brighter than even the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra. The phone will reportedly be powered by the brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, promising a massive leap in speed, gaming, and efficiency. OnePlus seems to have taken a page from Apple and Google's book with AI enhancements built into OxygenOS 15, with smarter battery management, adaptive display tuning, and real-time voice translation all baked right into the system. Camera leaks show a triple lens setup with a new 50-megapixel Sony LYT-808 sensor for the main camera, a 48-megapixels ultrawide, and a 64-megapixels periscope telephoto lens capable of 5x optical zoom. Early test shots suggest massive improvements in dynamic range, low light performance, and AI-assisted portrait photography that could rival the Pixel 9 Pro. Another exciting leak hints that OnePlus will finally bring full IP68 water resistance to the lineup, something fans have been requesting for years. Battery life is expected to improve significantly with a 5200 mAh cell and 100W wired charging, which can reportedly charge from 0 to 100% in just under 25 minutes. Plus, a new 50W wireless charging pad is rumored to debut alongside the phone. One of the most anticipated updates is the return of the alert slider and the addition of an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, both of which enhance usability and premium feel. Sources say the OnePlus 15 will also feature a dual-speaker setup tuned by Dolby Atmos, offering immersive sound for both gaming and media. Pricing leaks suggest the base model could start at $899 in the US, making it competitive against Samsung and Apple while offering more value and faster charging. OnePlus is reportedly planning to launch the device in 3 colors: Obsidian Black, Glacier Silver, and Frosted Green, with a special edition, Titanium Gray, for premium buyers. The official reveal is expected sometime in late November 2025, possibly at a dedicated OnePlus event streamed globally. While US availability is expected to begin mid-December, industry analysts believe the OnePlus 15 could be one of the biggest releases of the year thanks to its balance of performance, design, and price. And if these leaks are accurate, this phone could genuinely give both Samsung and Apple a run for their money. So what do you think? Can OnePlus finally return to its flagship killer glory in 2025? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Digital Dive for more updates on the latest tech, leaks, and honest reviews that help you decide what's worth your money.